Amir and Inas, I know it's a very short period of time to be studied and analyzed. And the problem with education always is we cannot see the impact in a short period of time. But when there is a clear vision, we can predict it and we can work towards it. So let's go back 1 year or so and think about from leadership position. Are you able to witness any changes at the level of the students' outcomes? And here, from my point of view, I don't necessarily mean the results in the exams. It can be their skills, their interaction, so it's not only about the results, maybe other outcomes or other impacts, whether positive or negative. And this is something important, to be honest. It doesn't have to be quantitative, but it can be any kind of changes or impact that students have. Or you might say, no, it's not the time yet. So, Amir, do you have
Yeah.
any insights on this?
Well, I think there is a game changer here. When you think of AI tools as a game changer, as tools actually to be used, not only for the subject knowledge, but also for the skills. Here we're talking about a change, right? Because eventually these students are in the classrooms to gain subject knowledge and to gain some skills. So by using AI to enhance some skills, and from these skills, I would say something like critical thinking, which is a very, very important one nowadays. The ability to read whatever you see and go through it like through a critical lens, and then decide whether this is right, this is not right, this is accurate, this is not accurate, this is sufficient, this is insufficient, and then you have your input as well, right? So here you're doing a lot of higher thinking order skills with the students, and this is something that any student or anyone actually in the 21st century should have. So you are one way or another using AI if you use it this way, but again, you have to go back to what we said before: the policy, the implementation, the evaluation, make sure everything is set in place, and then you can make sure that this is used in the classroom this way, the right way, right? Now, creativity is another level, definitely one of the skills that students are equipped to do and to produce a lot using AI in terms of art, in terms of writing, in terms of music. Even you can create a song, right, with the lyrics, with the melody, with different arrangements, and this can be a very good project for collaboration in an art class or a music class. So speaking of the skills, they are countless, all right, but it depends on how to effectively use that. And before you do that, you have to make sure that you are training your teachers to be able to deliver that to the students. So it starts with the teachers or with the staff to be fully and well equipped with these tools. Because again, as some of the colleagues just here said, that some teachers have, could be a natural resistance to change, right? That they don't want to use AI, or they are somehow afraid to use AI. I have heard these sentences before. I'm not comfortable. I'm afraid to use that. I'm not sure what. It's like a genie coming out of the lamp, and then they are afraid that, okay, that might backfire one way or another. I have to be careful, and I have to be on the safe side, so I have to be away from that AI, at least for now, until I see what everybody is doing or experimenting and producing with. So yeah, that's my take on this point.
Thank you, Amir. And definitely, there is a lot of opportunities using AI to focus on these important skills. But again, it all goes back to how much effort we put to guide the use of AI, especially in the hands of the students. Because if AI can give me the answer, I can use it as a consumer, or I can use AI to be a producer, and this is the difference between here and there.
That's the
Uh,
mindset. That's the
yeah,
mindset. Here
yeah,
comes the role of the leaders and the
exactly.
governments and teachers to prepare the students to have this mindset before they give them the tools and then unleash them into the market.